Hi everyone, I'm Christopher and you are watching Christopher Car Brochures. Today we're having a look at the 2013 Volkswagen Golf GTD, the Mark 7. So the GTD version is the diesel version of the GTI. Sadly didn't have that much power. It had only 184 horsepower, but it had a great torque. It was available with 5 doors and 3 doors. And I think that in other countries, not in Greece, it wasn't available in Greece. There was also a Golf GTD variant, if I'm not right, tell me in the comments, but I think there was actually, but it wasn't available in Greece. Even though it's a 12-year-old car, it looks very new. It didn't age at all. Like the Fox RS that I made yesterday. I really liked that steering wheel. I think it's very beautiful. Okay, it's a 12-year-old car, so I think for a 12-year-old car, it has a very beautiful interior. I don't really like these interior colors. These are the colors. Black, red tornado, white pure, gray carbon steel, white oryx, and oh no, these are the colors. That there were two colors for the interior and two types of the interior, leather and another. My brain got stuck, sorry about it. So yes, as you can see, it says 2-door and 4-door. It's actually the 3-door. Yes, I think that the back door counts, in my opinion. And 5-door. Yes. Yes, that's the brochure. It was printed in March 2013. That's the brochure. Yeah, it was a short video. Yes, that's the car. I forgot to say that Golf GTD was available with a 6-speed manual and a DSG automatic gearbox. So that was the short video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.